Over the last few years, we've been sharing a well-kept secret with residential builders around the world. 2 days of workshops for residential building company owners who are serious about getting control of their margins, their team, and the systems that actually make a difference between a business that consumes your life and one that actually works for you. Over 784 building company owners came through these events. When we toured Australia, our attendees scored us a 9.2 out of 10. In Texas, that number climbed to 9.4. But every single time that we wrapped up the event, the debrief said the same thing. We ran out of time, we wanted to go deeper on pricing. Can we spend a bit more time on building a team that doesn't really need me on site every single day to function? So we listened. This event has sold out 4 times in Auckland, the Gold Coast twice, and now Texas. So we are bringing it to Sydney in 2026. May 14th and 15th, 2026, the Professional Builder is hosting its Builders Summit in Sydney. 2 full days, 1 room in Sydney. Residential building company owners doing between $1 and $15 million in revenue. Stepping away from site and away from the office, doing the work that most owners never get the chance to do when they're stuck on the job. Never get the chance to do when they're buried managing subbies, chasing progress claims, and dealing with the daily dramas that never seem to stop. Not a half day, 2 full days to work on your business. Since 2004, we've worked with over 2,369 building company owners across New Zealand, Australia, the USA, the UK, and Canada. Our members are collectively responsible for over $7 billion in revenue and $1.5 billion in gross profit, and growing daily. The Sydney Summit is where we bring everything we know into one room, over 2 days just for you. So who even is this for? Let me be honest about something. This event is not for everyone. If you're a sole trader just getting started, this isn't your next step. The Sydney Summit is built specifically for residential building company owners who are already doing at least $1 million a year in revenue, with a team on the ground, real projects running, and a genuine ambition to build a serious business. If you're running multiple jobs simultaneously, managing a team of subbies and direct employees, you're no longer on the tools every day, but somehow you're still working harder than you ever did when you were, this event's for you. Maybe a typical week looks something like this. Monday morning starts with a phone call from your foreman. The window frames arrived, but they're in the wrong spec. The supplier is blaming you for the order. Your office manager is saying the order went through correctly. Now your client is ringing wanting to know why they're 2 weeks behind on the handover. You spend half the morning sorting it out instead of doing the pricing that was due on Friday. By Tuesday, you're pricing a new build that came through a referral. You want the job, but you're not 100% sure that the margins are where they need to be. There's a nagging feeling at the back of your mind that you're about to underprice it, just like the last one, because you're not completely certain what your minimum margins actually need to be across the company. Wednesday, your best chippy calls in sick, your apprentice is now on site with limited supervision, you spent the morning driving to check on things that should be running fine without you, and by Friday, you're exhausted. Your partner hasn't seen you properly all week, you're staring at a bank account that doesn't reflect the amount of work that you're putting in. You're doing the revenue, you've got the team, but the profit, the time, the clarity on where the business is actually heading, that's the part that still feels out of reach. That is exactly who we built this event for. By the time that you walk out of the Sydney Summit on May 15th, you'll leave with a clear and actionable plan to make at least an extra $108,000 in gross profit and buy back 8 hours a week from your company. That's not a number that we just pulled out of thin air. That's been based on over 21 years working specifically with residential building company owners and the results that our members have achieved following this process. We've structured the 2 days so everything builds on itself. You don't leave with a to-do list that sits in the drawer, gets buried between next week's site drama. You'll leave with work that's already completed, tools already in your hands, and a plan that is specific to your business. And for those of you who are thinking, I'm not great with numbers, this financial stuff goes way over my head, this is built specifically for you. Building company owners, not accountants. If you can read a job costing sheet, you've got everything that you need to get a full value from these 2 days. Here's exactly what's included in your ticket. First, you'll receive a hard copy of the Profitable Builders Playbook, along with all the resources and bonuses valued at over $3,000. This is the same playbook that's behind 87 of our members' winning house awards of the year, and yours to take home and use as a reference long after the summit is over. You'll also take home a workbook that is designed so you're not just sitting and listening. Every session comes with exercises you complete in the room in real time with our coaches. You'll leave already having done the work. Next, you'll get your hands on the profit bundle. This includes the pricing for profit calculator, helping you identify minimum margins on a company level, your cash flow requirements, and the overhead allocation you need on a month-to-month basis to actually hit your profit goals. It also includes a work in progress calculator, a checklist of how to make an extra $5,000 per project per week. You can run this checklist directly with your foreman to audit your current sites and find the lowest hanging fruit, and identify the systems to install over the next 12 months so that you stop leaving money sitting on every job. You will also receive the Charging for Quotes playbook, the exact scripts, frameworks, and quote presentation templates to run a professional site visit, close a contract, and get paid for your time before you break ground. Our members are already charging over $3,500 for preliminary service agreements and quotes as action plans. That one system alone is worth multiples of your ticket investment on the very next job you price. And on top of that, you get 2 full days networking with the TPB members, coaches, and other ambitious building company owners. Our coaches are in the room with you, hands-on, not just presenting from the front of the stage. Think of it less like a conference and more like a working session with the best people in the industry. Not only that, you'll receive a complimentary one-on-one game plan session with one of our coaches, where we review your financials, benchmark you privately against our members, and map out exactly what to work on first based on your specific situation. Let me walk you through exactly what we cover over the 2 days. Day 1 is built completely around getting clarity on your numbers, your business, and your fundamentals. We start with your effective hourly rate as a business owner. Using our professional builders rate calculator, we identify the roles and tasks within your business that we can systemize first to buy back the most amount of your time. For most building company owners, this single exercise reshapes how they look at their entire week. From there, you'll build out your business maturity date. Think of this as a GPS for your business. You map out where you want to be in the next 12 to 24 months, the net profit you want to draw, the team and crew structure you need across your sites, your project pipeline targets, and the gaps you need to close to get there. Everything that you do over the next 2 days gets filtered through that. Then we go deep into your margins. You'll calculate your minimum margins on a company level, so you know exactly what gross profit, cash flow, and overhead figures you need to hit every single month and every quarter to achieve your goals. No more guessing, no more pricing a job, crossing your fingers and hoping that it comes okay at the end. Day 2 is all about building the systems and the structure that allow your business to grow without everything sitting on your shoulders. We'll go through the full A to Z of operations, from site checkup checklists and purchase orders to daily stand-ups, weekly toolbox meetings, scheduling, and making sure that at the end of every project, you're collecting testimonials, updating your website, and following up on the leads that went cold. You'll identify exactly which systems are missing in your business and, more importantly, which ones to install first for the biggest return on your time. We'll cover office structure and site accountability so that your foreman and site supervisors can take real ownership without you being the backstop for every decision that gets made on a job. We'll address recruitment at different phases of growth. What your team needs to look like at $3 million in revenue is very different to what your team needs to look like at $5 million in revenue, $10 million revenue, and beyond. We'll cover cash flow management so that everyone gets paid, including you, and you stop finding yourself cash poor at the end of a strong quarter. Here is what building company owners doing between $2 and $15 million in revenue have been seeing after working with us.
I chose TPB because it's builder specific.
I can't speak highly enough of the systems, get the systems happening.
Joining TPB has allowed me to have proper clarity on my numbers and be pricing to a proper target margin.
You guys have been great for basically breaking everything down into those segmented kind of steps. You guys have all the advice and the systems and the resources in the world.
If you're feeling in doubt about your business, just sign up. It'll change your life.
Okay, so I know what it feels like to look at 2 days away from the business and think about everything that's going to pile up while you're gone. The pricing that needs to go out, the progress claims to chase, the subby who still hasn't sent through his invoice, and the client who keeps ringing. So here's what we'll do. We're putting our better than being in the business guarantee in place for the Sydney Summit. If by the end of day 2, you genuinely feel like you've wasted your time, that the workbook, the Profitable Builders playbook, the Charging for Quote system, the profit bundle, the networking, the one-on-one game plan session, the A to Z of operations, and the 2 days working alongside our coaches and our members was not worth it, was not worth stepping away from site and the office, we will pay for your time back and refund your ticket in full. No questions asked. So we've been doing this since 2004. We know what happens when a building company owner gets in the right room with the right people and the right tools. We're confident enough in that to put our money on the line. So as valuable as 2 days in the room is, no event can be perfectly tailored for your specific situation. Your margins, your team, your structure, your pipeline, your cash position, and your goals. That is exactly what the one-on-one game plan session is for. By registering for the Sydney Summit, you can claim a complimentary one-on-one game plan session with one of our TPB coaches. Here's exactly what we'll cover. We review your financials, we benchmark them privately against our members so you can see where you actually sit. We work through the Builders Roadmap and our playbooks to identify what you should be doing first based on your specific numbers and situation. And we map out the next 18 to 24 months so that you have complete clarity on what the path forward looks like. We'd recommend claiming the session before the event. It makes the 2 days in the room significantly more productive. And it means you're not the only one in the queue after day 2 when our coaches are at full capacity. Once you register, it's easy to claim. Just ask for it. For everyone else, here's exactly what you need to do. The Sydney Summit is on Thursday, May 14th and Friday, May 15th, 2026 in Sydney. Places are limited deliberately. This is not a stadium-style event. We've kept the room size contained specifically so that our coaches can be the ones hands-on with every single person in the room. When it's full, and we turn registrations off. Early bird pricing is available right now, but we limit those spots to the first people who register. Once they're gone, the full ticket price applies. Follow the link below to register and secure your seat. If you have any questions, reach out to our team by phone or email and they'll get back to you quickly. Here's the thing. The building company owners who grow the most aren't the ones waiting for things to settle down before they work on the business. Things don't settle down on their own. They get settled because an owner made the decision to step back, build the right systems, and stop letting the business run them. The Sydney Summit is where that work happens. We'll see you there. Here's to your best 12 months yet.